Howdy, Wall Street Willie. Who needs long-term care? People who deal with sudden medical events like a heart attack, a terrible accident, or major surgery can require long-term care facilities at a younger age. But statistics show that around 70% of people 65 and older will need long-term care services due to aging, although the exact time it'll be necessary is different for every person and is dependent on their lifestyle, health, disabilities, illnesses, and chronic conditions. How do I plan for long-term care? Depending on what type of long-term care you will need and for how long, it can get very expensive and potentially wipe out your retirement savings. But having a plan can make a significant difference to the quality of your life and your loved ones. That's why it's crucial to start planning for it well before you need it. In other words, when you're younger and healthier. Do some research on the long-term care facilities in your area and how much they cost, so you can get a rough idea of what you might need to pay in the future. There are multiple options to pay for long-term care, like your retirement savings, government programs like Medicaid, long-term care insurance, or hybrid policies that act as life insurance or long-term care insurance, depending on the situation. What is long-term care insurance? That's a great question, Super Cooper. Watch the video on your screen to find out. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.